Hello Platers! If you haven't heard of Mr. Bean, well you've been living under a rock. Mr. Bean is a British sitcom created by Rowan Atkinson and Richard Curtis. It has developed to a lot of forms of media such as cartoons, TV series and movies. The series was viewed by 18.74 million viewers for the episode The Trouble with Mr. Bean and has received a number of international awards, including the Rose d'Or. It has earned Rowan Atkinson Mr. Bean millions of dollars in terms of revenue. As they say, when you have a lot of money to throw around, it's only natural to develop a taste for the finer things in life. We're not talking about Mr. Bean's old and junky mini car as we see in his cartoon or movies. We're talking about impressive and luxurious car collections. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. Now, let's check out what Mr. Bean's garage has in store for us. Number 1, McLaren F1. Known for its sleek and sporty design, Atkinson bought it in 1997 for E640,000. After several crash accidents during 1999 and 2011, Atkinson sold the McLaren in 2015 for E8 million. Number 2, Aston Martin B8 Skoda. Who would have thought that Mr. Bean was an enthusiastic racer? Atkinson has raced many cars such as a Renault 5 GT Turbo. Sadly, he crashed this Aston Martin B8 Skoda while competing in the Aston Martin Owners Club event in Darlington. Bought it in the year 1998 and sold it in 2008. Number 3, 1964 Ford Falcon. Known for its bright blue paint to the 33 symbol on the side, Atkinson's Ford Falcon is an impressive racing car. Sadly, he once again had a crash incident during the Shelby Cup in 2014. Number 4, Bentley Birkin Mulsanne. Luxury at its finest. Did you know that only 22 were made, and the name comes from Sir Henry Ralph Stanley Birkin, a famous racer of the 1930s. Atkinson's played Birkin in the 1995 film Full Throttle. With Atkinson's love for racing, it's a must for him to get his hands on this. Number 5, Lancia Delta Integrale. Atkinson made an article about his trusty yellow Lancia Delta Integrale when he was still a writer for a car magazine back in 1989. According to him, the 16-valve Integrale can have few peers and that it's a great driver's car. Number 6, Skoda Superb. Atkinson's Skoda Superb is more conservative compared to his other collections. He bought it for E18,000 in 2011, back when Skoda was the most popular automotive dealer beating out Lexus and Porsche. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the ideas had in mind? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.